In Windows 11, let's say I want to delete a file and then I realize I made a mistake and I want to undelete it or recover it. So that's pretty easy to do. I can go ahead and delete the file and now it's gone. Now if I want to, I can right click and choose undo delete and it pops right back up again and there's my file. Now if I deleted it and let's say that I've done some other things and I don't see that option to undelete, well that's okay, it shows up in my recycle bin. So I can double click on the recycle bin. Now I have some options. I can right click on that and I can choose restore. I could cut it and then I could paste it someplace else. I could delete it permanently or I could look at the properties. Easiest thing is going to be to restore. Now it's gone from the recycle bin and it's back to its original location. If you want to go further and say find files that have been deleted a lot longer than this, then you may need some third-party utilities. Some are Windows-based that cost money. Some are Linux-based where you'd boot off a Linux DVD and then recover it that way. But that's basically how you would undelete or recover a file from the recycle bin in Windows 11.